Hey guys, welcome to my channel Take Sourav. I am Sourav Dutta. Today another video is that today I am going to show you how to call and use internet in flight mode. So it is easy or very simple. So let's start. Follow my all steps, don't skip the video. First turn on your mobile data. Second, turn on the flight mode. When you do this, your network goes off. You can imagine how I turn on the net. So follow my all steps. First, check your flight mode is on or not. You can see that your mobile data is not working. Now open your phone dialer and dial *#4636 ##*. It will take you to a new promote screen. And go to the phone information and find the option mobile radio power. Here you can see by default the radio will be off. Now you have to turn on the radio power. Once you have done, close the windows. Now you can open your browser to surf the internet, and you can open your phone dialer to call someone. Mobile data usage will work now, but still if you see the network, you can see the flight mode is still on. You can open your phone dialer to call someone. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.